Today we're going to give you a tour of Lindsay's and Jason's Japanese maples in their home garden. And because Lindsay loves them, we've got some beauties to show you, starting with Enkan. This has a strap leaf type with nice thin lobes that moves nicely in the wind. I planted this guy 15 years ago. Next is a beautiful specimen of Acer palmatum Shishigashira or lion's head maple. These grow just like bonsais. I planted these 10 years ago, and look, this is all the pruning you have to do, and then you can lay claim to being a bonsai master. Golden full moon maple, Acer shirasawanum Aureum. This one flushes a bright gold, which shifts to chartreuse towards the summer. Look at the lovely contrast here of the red seed heads against the golden green foliage. Give it only morning light. If it's in the full sun all day, you'll find you'll get a little bit of leaf scorch. Acer palmatum Shirazz. Wow, just look at this plant. Matte red in the center and beautiful bright pink margins that literally glow in the dark if you look up towards the sunlight. This is a great plant to grow in a container or in ground. For all season color, nothing beats a coral bark maple or Acer palmatum Sango Kaku. In spring it flushes almost gold, then in summer goes green, a burnt orange autumn tones, and look at these red stems. They just fire up all winter long. Lindsay's not the only one with beautiful Japanese maples in her garden. We have some great stock in the nursery, including this beautifully variegated butterfly, the dwarf red shana, and the beautiful weeping waterfall, which turns a nice orange in the fall.